Hey there, Realtors! Want to skyrocket your property value without breaking the bank? Today, I've got some simple home upgrades that'll make your listings pop and your clients smile. All right, first up, let's talk about curb appeal. You know what they say, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. A fresh coat of paint on the front door can work wonders. Go for bold colors like navy blue or a classic red. And don't forget to add some potted plants or a stylish welcome mat. Buyers love that stuff. Moving inside, let's tackle the kitchen. You don't need a full remodel to make it shine. Switch out those old cabinet handles for some sleek, modern ones. Trust me, it's like giving your kitchen a mini facelift. And if your budget allows, upgrading to stainless steel appliances is always a win. Next, the bathroom. The most underrated room in the house. Swap out that old shower head for a rain shower. It's affordable and gives off that luxurious spa vibe. Oh, and don't underestimate the power of a new vanity mirror. It's like Instagram for your bathroom. #no filter needed now lighting. Good lighting can make a room feel bigger and more inviting. Replace outdated fixtures with modern, energy-efficient ones. And add some chic table lamps or floor lamps to create a cozy atmosphere. It's all about that ambiance. Finally, flooring. If the carpet looks like it's seen better days, consider replacing it with laminate or hardwood flooring. It's durable, easy to clean, and buyers love it. Plus, it instantly adds value to the home. So there you have it, folks. Simple upgrades that can make a huge difference in your property's value. Ready to get started? Your clients will thank you, and your listings will be flying off the market. Catch you next time.